Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This recording is for my subject language testing. My name is Gabriela Verduga and today we are going to review something about sensing, grammar, and vocabulary. As teacher, we know that it's really important to assess the grammar and vocabulary and this process to learn a new language. Yes, I can see we are going to continue that. First, we are going to start talking about the vocabulary and how we are going to assess that vocabulary. I'm an English teacher for kids, and I think a really good way to assess the vocabulary is through games. And that's case we are going to try to play, or we are going to use this game maybe that you know it is Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Yes, we can choose here. First, we are going to use the select response, and this type of task, we are going to use different questions, and we have to use different options, and our students are going to choose the best option or the better answer here. Yes, you can see here we can review the different levels and using according the age or the level for our students. That's the first example that I have. And we can see we can use seg to cut meat. And we have 4 options here: a cap, a knife, a spoon, or a fork. Yes, in this case, we are using the vocabulary from kitchen. Yes, and if the student can understand what is the meaning of that definition, we can use here. For example, you say cup, you say no, and you say spoon, but maybe a knife. Yes, that's the correct answer, and you went 1 point. Yes, we can use this activity to play with different students or teams. Yeah, it's a good way to, a fun way to learn and a fun way to assess the vocabulary that we reviewed with our students. Then we can see, let's continue. This is another example with a different level of vocabulary. You say, it is the act of delaying or putting off task until the last minute. What of those words is the correct? What's the best? And you have to read attentions, workaholic, lazy, or procrastinations. Of course, teacher had to teach them this before. Yes, what is the correct meaning of that? Of course, it's procrastination. Yes, and this was my task for assessed vocabulary. As you can see here, we can use different levels with the same game. Yes, you can see here, we can review something about the extended production to ask grammar. This type of task is used to assess a large amount of production. That means that we are going to try out our students speak a little more. It's not only one word or only one phrase. We are going to try they speak. Here, you can see here that we have a picture. We are going to use describe the picture. Yes, we can use different topics or different terms to describe the sense. The first example that we use is beginner students. Yes, on an easy level for existence. We are going to talking about existence here using there is and there are. Yes, you can say here, and you are going to try to describe the picture maybe in 1 minute. Yes, and your students try to tell you the most of the phrases that they can. You say, there is a red car, there are many people, and there is a flag. Yes, and they are going to try to speak fast and try to review all the pictures there. Another topic that we can use here is the present continuous. Yeah, as you can see is there is a woman driving in a red car. I don't know, it's another boy skating on the board on the street. I can see there is a dog running on the street, and maybe we can use two topics. Yes, as I told you, there is existence, a dog running, present continuous. Yes, running on the street. As you can see here, we can combinate, we can use different topics. Yes, so we can review something here. We review, and this is my bibliography and where I can find some of the information as I tell you. Thank you, everyone.